In this video, you are going to learn Starburst animation in PowerPoint. I am playing this so that you can see what is Starburst animation. So this is called Starburst animation. I am closing it and let us do it from the scratch. In the thumbnail view, right click, new slide. I am removing this because we don't need this. Then insert, shapes. Under insert and shapes, go to stars and banners. Under stars and banners, click star 32 points and draw it. Click a shift button and draw it so that you will get a perfect circle. So here the options format shape, we can get it by right click, format shape. So you will get all these options. So I'm removing the shape fill. Click no fill. Click no fill, and under the line, solid line, you can choose whichever color you want. So I'm choosing the black for now, and I'm also increasing the width of the border to 5 points so that you can see a thick border. Now you can see an orange button here, orange or yellow, depends on your version. So I'm just clicking on this one and dragging it to the center. So like this. And then we have already changed the width of the border. So let us also change the dash type. So I am selecting the dash type called long dash dot. So let me zoom it. This one, long dash dot. So I'm clicking this. So now if you want, we can choose a color, whichever color we want. I'm choosing the dark red, and I'm going to animations, and we can choose any animation, but here I click on add animation. So instead of this entrance, emphasis and exit animations, I'm going to more entrance effects. The option more entrance effects, I'm clicking this one and selecting basic zoom under moderate, basic zoom. Okay. So if you play it, you have to click it to get the zoom effect. So instead of clicking, you can remove this. You can change this from on click to with previous. Now let us also add an exit animation, because we have already added an animation. We have to click on add animation again, add animation, and go to more exit effects here, exit effects, and here I am choosing the dissolve out. Under basic, dissolve out, I'm clicking this one and say okay. And if you play it now, again I need to click it to get a dissolve. So again here also I'm going to change it to with previous. So let us right click, let us go to animations and animation pan. Now let us add animation pane so that you can see here. So this first one is the entrance animation. So I have chosen with previous, and let us choose 1 second duration so that we can see it slowly. And then this one is exit. The red button is for exit. This one also we have chosen with previous. Let us choose 1 second duration, and let us also choose 0.50 delay between entrance and exit animation. So let us play it again. So like this. Now let us copy it. Click Ctrl button and drag it so you can copy paste any number of things. So let us change the color for each one. So right click, format shape. So this one I am choosing a different color, blue color. For this one I am choosing a different color, purple. and let us play it. So now it played only once, right? Instead of that, choose all this, select all this, click on first one and shift down button. So I've selected everything. I clicked on the drop down button, then effect options. Let me zoom it so that you can see it clearly. So I've chosen all these and I clicked on the drop down button, effect options, and let us go to the timing, and here under the repeat I'm selecting, instead of none I'm selecting the last one, until end of slide, and let us click OK. So now if you play, we'll see a continuous starburst animation like this. So now let us also change it to multiple colors. So let me copy a few more and clicking shift and resizing it. Control and move it, and shift and resize it. You can change to any color you want. So I'm changing this color to green, and this color to some blue and all that. But let us add multicolor to one of the stars here. So instead of the single color, solid color, so instead of solid color, I'm choosing the gradient line, and now I'm choosing the type path, and here we can see 4 gradient stops. We can add more if you want. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, we can remove it. For example, I'm clicking on the remove. One gradient stop has been removed. So we can also add one more. So I'm adding it here. So the purpose of this one is, for example, the first one, I'm selecting the first one and choosing the color dark red. So you can see in the center the color gets changed. Suppose if we change the type to linear, the color is starting here. If we change it to radial, the color is changed elsewhere, and if we change it to rectangular, the color changes elsewhere. But we want to start from the center, so which is path. So similarly, for the second gradient stop, I'm selecting a different color, say yellow, and for the third gradient stop, I'm choosing a different color, blue, and for the fourth gradient stop, I'm choosing a different color, purple. So this star has 4 colors now. So let us play it. So this one is more attractive with 4 colors, right? Similarly, we can change it to all other stars as well. So this concludes the session. Thank you.